Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over in-house sign metrics. In-house sign provides a dashboard to track your metrics with regards to your documents and the metadata of those documents. To get into the in-house sign metrics, all I need to do is jump into in-house sign from the console. And at the bottom of the sidebar menu, I can see in-house sign metrics. So when you come into in-house sign metrics, you can see that you have a filter that enables you to filter between multiple environments. It enables you to filter between documents sent by a system user, which is usually an automation. You can basically toggle documents sent by a certain person, projects, currency, and the duration. All right, so I'm going to switch to the development environment because I've been doing a lot of transactions in the development environment just based on our demos that we've been doing. All right, so here we go. Let's just start from the top. So as you can see, we are filtering based on the past month, and you can see total documents sent, total approval requests, documents approved, documents sent, viewed, completed, declined, canceled, right? And you can basically see a timeline of your documents, and you could just track individual labels, like if you wanted to see what documents, the rates of decline, or the timeline of how many documents are being viewed. So it kind of goes into a lot of detail. All right, so there's something here called the document value timeline metrics. So this right here is just tracking the value of the documents that are being sent. So this is when there are payments associated with a document. In this case, we had a document that was $1,000. That's reflected here. So we have something called session metrics. This is just tracking when users open up your contracts, what is how many sessions, how many completed documents, what is the conversion rate, what is the duration. Here it gives you a breakdown of how your users are signing documents, what devices are they using, and the country, the breakdown of the country. So this is just a very, very nice in-depth look into in-house sign metrics. So at the top you have the totals, and at the bottom you have the monetary value. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one.